Hey there, fitness friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that frustrates many people on their weight loss journey, the dreaded weight loss plateau. You've been working hard, following your diet and exercise plan, but suddenly, progress comes to a halt. Sound familiar? Don't worry, we've got some tips and tricks to help you push past this obstacle and get back on track. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what a weight loss plateau actually is. Essentially, it's when your body becomes accustomed to your diet and exercise routine, making it harder to shed those extra pounds. Our bodies are incredible at adapting, and sometimes this adaptation can slow down our progress. Our bodies are capable of amazing feats, like athletes pushing their limits or people recovering from severe injuries. But this same adaptability can work against us when it comes to weight loss. So, how do we overcome this plateau? The key is to shake things up and keep your body guessing. Here are some strategies you can try. First up, change your exercise routine. If you've been doing the same workouts for a while, your body might have adapted to them. Try incorporating strength training or changing the intensity and types of exercises you do. Targeting different muscle groups and increasing difficulty can force your body to readapt and start burning calories more effectively. Next, let's talk about diet. Our metabolism adapts to the patterns we set with our eating habits. One effective strategy is to change the timing of your meals. Instead of 3 large meals, try eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day. This can keep your metabolism active and help you break through the plateau. It's also important to mix up the types of foods you're eating. If you've been sticking to the same diet plan, your body might have gotten too used to it. Incorporate a variety of nutrient-dense foods to keep your body guessing and your metabolism running high. Remember, combining changes in your diet with new exercise routines can maximize your results. For example, if you start a new strength training program, make sure your diet supports muscle growth and recovery. Finally, it's crucial to remember that everyone's body is different. What works for one person might not work for another. It might take some experimentation to find the right combination of diet and exercise changes that work for you. So, if you've hit a weight loss plateau, don't get discouraged. Try these tips to mix things up and keep your progress moving forward. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more health and fitness tips and leave a comment below with your questions or experiences. See you next time.